What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Saga because this coin was just launched on Binance and other exchanges, so right now it can give us a really good opportunities for opening here some trading positions. So if you are interested about all the setups that I'm currently watching here and all the trades that I'm waiting for, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 15-minute chart. As I said in the intro, this coin was just launched like a few hours ago. So right now we only formed here like two interesting areas. The first one is this area, this resistance area, which is between level 6.51 and 6.41. And then we have here this support, which is between levels 5.81 and 5.68. First opportunity where I would consider opening a long position is this area, because if we are gonna drop here, then we will take all the important liquidity under like this important lows, because a lot of people who are opening their long position somewhere around here, they probably put their stop losses like under these lows. So if we are gonna test this area, we will just swipe the liquidity there, and if there will be a support confirmation, then I think that this can be a decent opportunity to open here that long trade. Stop loss in this case you can place just under this support, because if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target you can, for example, place under the current all-time high, which is on the level 7.89. Definitely, in this case, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this resistance area. Then, for example, like under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 9.84, it will be, let's say 7.5, something like that, which is in my opinion really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this first potential trading setup. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yeah, you can verify this data. Another potential setup that we can take advantage of will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation here. In my opinion, this long scenario is more risky, because you can see this is historically really important area. For example, here it was like an important support, here as well, here it was important resistance, also here support again, here resistance, and right now also a resistance. So the market is respecting this area really well. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then there can be a good opportunity to open here a long trade. But also you can see that even with that, let's say, support confirmations, there are still a liquidity grabs. So you need to place your stop loss, let's say, really low to have a good risk reward ratio, because if we are, let's say, gonna speculate still to that current all-time high, to have, let's say, at least decent risk reward ratio, the stop loss needs to be around like 3%. But then in this case, it's, let's say, higher probability of getting liquidated. And if you will, for example, place the stop loss like under these previous lows, then the, let's say, risk reward ratio is not gonna be that good. So me personally, it will be probably better to, let's say, choose the more risky trade with better risk to reward ratio, but then you need to count with higher risk of getting liquidated. Or you can, for example, speculate on like higher levels, for example, like $10 mark, and then you can set your stop loss, let's say, better. But yeah, that's on the strategy that you want to take with this trade. But anyway, if we are gonna take the more risky setup, then also in this case it's really important to take multiple take profit targets, and I would take, let's say, at least some of the profits really fast, and then you can move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. So some of the profits you can, for example, take like under this previous high, because if we are gonna check this level, for example, here it was like an important resistance, here important support. You need to pay attention that we are still on that 15-minute chart, but yeah, that's the best we can do right now on this coin. So yeah, some of the profits you can take here, and then you can move your stop loss to entry, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss, or you can, let's say, put it at least on break even. Then the remain take profit targets can remain the same, so some of the profits in this area, then in this area, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 7.8, we are looking for risk reward ratio 5, something like that. And that's, in my opinion, still really good. So yeah, for this scalp trade on the 15-minute, I think it's like a decent setup, but me personally, I like more this first scenario. If you want to know some long-term target for this coin, I think that right now it's pretty hard to tell, because yeah, this coin was just launched on Binance and other exchanges. But let's say the price that this coin will hit in the long-term perspective more depends on the fundamental analysis. So if you want to create here some long-term long position, I highly recommend you to study this coin fundamentally. And if it will make sense for you, then yeah, you can invest in this coin like in the longer run. But for the coins, if they are listed on Binance, is like usually pretty common that the coins are pumping really, really fast. So yeah, there is pretty high probability that this coin will continue with its uptrend. So that's why I'm only like right now speculating for opening a long trade. But if you think that if it's gonna dump, then you can, for example, wait here for that breakdown and then resistance confirmation of this area, because historically under this we have like zero liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to, let's say, drop even more. But for me personally, the short setups like on the new coins like this are really, really risky, so I will stick to the long scenarios. Okay guys, this will be all from me for today, and if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!